to Elite Weather. My name is Dooley Godot with your weather forecast. Once again, I'm your meteorologist, and we are going to talk about the forecast for your Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Just to let you know, there won't be a video for Friday and Saturday as I'm going to be busy and taking care of some things. But we will be back Sunday with another weather forecast, just in time to get you ready for next week and you go back to work and everything, all right? So, and since that is being said, let's talk about the channel right now. And I'm going to need you guys to do me a favor and leave your likes down in the comments and your comments down below. And also, let me know what city and state you watch this video from. And we will try to use your city as the city of the day. And thinking of the city of the day, our city of the day is going to be Providence, Rhode Island. Yes. Up in the northeast there, New England for you, Providence. And Providence is the home of Brown University, since we're all about education and one of the finest educational institutions in America. Now, what's neat about Providence is a big city, but it offers a small time feel in a big city package. So Providence is a neat place to visit. So if you're ever going to Boston, Providence is not that far away. So if you're in the Northeast, please take a stop by and check things out, as it has a very vibrant arts community, good restaurants, some nice hotels as well. Great place to visit. Shout out to the folks out there in Providence, Rhode Island. Your weather right now, cloudy skies with some rain showers, even though it looks sunny. That's not a live cam. I couldn't find a decent webcam for Providence, so we're just going to go with the skyline photo here. And 67 degrees, some rain showers in your area right now, which we'll show you on our live national radar. So let's jump on over and I'll show you where those showers are moving through New England right now. Here we are taking a look at the national radar, and you see those showers in the northeast right now through New England. We're seeing those showers moving through as we have an area of low pressure just to your north there over the border in southern Canada, there around Montreal. So we're seeing those showers extend offshore and down the coastline here, a few showers down over the southeast here in the Florida Panhandle. So we'll see showers and maybe some thunderstorms as well in this activity for the remainder of the day. As that moves on off to the north and east, you'll see those showers as well. Now these showers also double back here through the high plains up toward the northern plains into Canada. So we're seeing some scattered showers as well with some thunderstorms embedded in this through the central and northern plains here. So those showers and storms will be in your forecast throughout the day today. Here's where our severe weather threat is going to be for your Thursday out there. And we have some more showers here in the Pacific Northwest, as we have some rainfall just north of Portland through Seattle, Vancouver, British Columbia as well. We'll be seeing that rainfall in the Pacific Northwest. The hot weather is going to continue down in the southwest and into California, but we are seeing some showers here along the Mexican borders. So the border, some showers and thunderstorms as well down there, New Mexico and Arizona. So if you're in Deming or along I-10 down here in southern Arizona and southern New Mexico, you might see a shower or a thunderstorm this afternoon. So that's a nice reprieve from the heat for some of you folks. But the heat is still going to be excessive down there. So let's move on to our weather today. Well, we're going to talk more about the excessive heat down in the Southwest. Okay, here we go with your weather today, and we are going to talk about our watches and hazards for right now. And we are seeing a lot of that excessive heat advisory taking place here across Arizona and New Mexico and into Southern California there. So we got San Bernardino County through the Mojave Desert and the Sonora Desert out here in Arizona and California, where we're going to see those temperatures exceed 110 degrees out there once again today. But we also have heat warnings and excessive heat through central and northern California as well, through the Central Valley, where we're going to see those temperatures also exceed and reach up to 110 degrees out there. High winds out in Nevada there near Carson City and Reno. We're going to be seeing high wind warnings for that area as well, as we see those winds in excess at 30 miles per hour. We do have our flood issues here through Arkansas and Oklahoma, as we've seen a lot of rainfall over the last week or so. So you are dealing with your flooding issues and flooding potential out there through Arkansas and Oklahoma, as more showers and thunderstorms is expected to continue throughout that region today and through the weekend. So here we are as we take a look at your 3-day forecast for our city of the day, Providence, Rhode Island. You will be seeing those showers today through the morning and afternoon, but they will clear out this evening, and you're going to have a high today of 80 degrees with your low this morning of 64. We'll see the sunshine return tomorrow, and you're going to see those temperatures near 80 at 79, and then 79 degrees for your Saturday with a few more clouds around, but at least no rainfall at this point in the forecast. Here we are as we're going to talk about our heat situation out there across the desert Southwest and in California. That heat is extending through Utah, Nevada, even nearly into almost into the Pacific Northwest. Is seeing some of those high temperatures, at least high temperatures as far as what they're used to in Oregon, but we are seeing those temperatures climb into the 80s out there. But we're seeing those temperatures exceed 110 degrees through the valleys of California, the deserts, and the high country in Utah and Colorado. We're seeing very, very hot weather, and especially across the state of Texas. So here we are with our heat index. We have high and very high this weekend. So Saturday and Sunday, and this is what you can do. You can avoid the strenuous activity and postpone, cancel outdoor activities if need be. See air-conditioned buildings, as well as check in on your family members, friends, and the elderly. Close your blinds during the day and prepare for hot weather overnight temperatures. So very warm overnight lows. Some places going to see low temperatures in the 80s tonight. So very, very hot out there. Drink before you eat, before you're even thirsty. If you're not thirsty, still drink, because you'll need all the hydration that you can get. And in an emergency situation, like you're not feeling well, please call 911. All right, as we take a look at the forecast for our hot areas in the desert areas, this is the Phoenix area. 110 degrees is going to be 110 degrees plus in Phoenix, Arizona, and our overnight lows 84 to 87. So even the low temperatures in Arizona are almost 90 degrees. This is overnight. You see how hot and dangerous this weather is. So we have a lot of heat issues. Here's our weather setup. We got the Four Corners high over here across New Mexico, Colorado, Utah, and Arizona. Typically sits here, and it also pumps in the moisture and the storms for the monsoon season. But that Four Corners high is almost perfectly placed to start off that monsoon season. But right now, it's turning on the heat, and we're seeing the jet stream going through the plain states. But we have that area of high pressure across the southwest. It's really keeping everything really super hot down there across the desert southwest. And as we talk about your national weather forecast, here we go as we take a look at what we're going to be seeing out there for your Thursday afternoon. And here we are with our severe weather threat here through parts of the Central Plains into the Ozarks there. We're going to be seeing those showers and thunderstorms, severe weather through this region. And that primary threat is going to be that heavy rainfall. Now, we've had several tornadoes through Indiana yesterday and Ohio. We saw some severe weather through the southern Great Lakes and the Midwest here yesterday, and they did spread some tornadoes out there in the Ohio Valley. But we will see that possibility today. A few isolated tornadoes, large hail, damaging winds, but that flash flooding is going to be the primary threat with this severe weather, as we have a lot of rainfall and very high dew points out there. So we're going to see that those thunderstorms fire off through the central plains once again, and those showers and storms are going to extend to the Canadian border through Edmonton there. We may be seeing some showers and thunderstorms up through the Dakotas, through southwestern Minnesota, Iowa, and Missouri as well, including Nebraska. You could also see some of that severe weather down in southern Nebraska. So we'll see those non-severe storms through the northern plains into the upper Midwest today, and more showers and storms along the Gulf Coast, Florida, through the mid-Atlantic states and into the northeast. Some showers, maybe some thunderstorms embedded in that as well. But a lot of wet weather out there for some of you folks out there across America, and more showers down through New Mexico and southeastern Arizona as well during the morning hours. But eventually this is going to move on out of there, and that heat is really going to turn on again for you folks down there in Arizona and southern New Mexico. Here's a look for your Friday forecast. The severe weather focus now moves down closer to the Gulf Coast and the Mississippi Valley here. We're going to be seeing that severe weather. Heavy rain is going to be the primary threat, with some large hail also possible, some damaging wind. A tornado or two is not out of the question either, as we have that severe weather down here through parts of Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and southwestern Alabama. And we're going to see more showers and storms extend through the northern plains towards the Canadian border there, and across the southern Great Lakes, the Ohio Valley, and the Midwest, toward the mid-Atlantic and the southeast. So the Appalachians, the Piedmont area, the southeast down to Florida, the Gulf Coast as well, the southern Mississippi Valley will be seeing showers and thunderstorms for your Friday afternoon. And dry weather is going to extend through the northern Rockies and the high plains, down through the central and southern plains, Texas, over into the desert southwest, California, Nevada. Going to be seeing that hot weather in place for most of you folks out here in this southern southwest and the plains. So we're going to see those temperatures in the 90s through the plains and the 100s down in Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and California as well. We're going to see those temperatures nearly approach 110 degrees for millions of you folks out there in the southwest. So please take your precautions to beat the heat. And we'll see some rain showers here in the Pacific Northwest as we have this cold front moving through the northern Rockies and the Northwest here. And it's going to propagate and promote some rain showers there in the Pacific Northwest for your Friday. Here we are with your Saturday. More rain in the Pacific Northwest, Seattle and Portland, and Northern California as well, far Northern California. And we're going to see thunderstorms through the inland areas and the northern Rockies, through Idaho and Montana here. We're going to see some thunderstorms through the high plains, through Montana and Wyoming, through the northern plains of the Dakotas, Minnesota as well. Could see some thunderstorms for your Saturday. Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, thunderstorms in your forecast, and some rain showers over toward the mid-Atlantic states as well. Almost into the New England. So New England, Boston, Rhode Island, Providence, our city of the day. New York City, Philadelphia, Newark, D.C., Baltimore, showers and thunderstorms for your Saturday. All the way down the eastern seaboard through Charlotte, North Carolina. We have Charleston, as well as Columbia, Myrtle Beach, Savannah, Georgia, Jacksonville, Tampa, St. Petersburg, Orlando, Pompano, West Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, Miami, Fort Myers, Naples, showers and thunderstorms also along the Gulf Coast, Pensacola, Apalachicola, Tallahassee as well. That chance for showers and thunderstorms all the way over to New Orleans. So the showers and storms are going to be in your forecast for your Saturday out there. For most of you folks along the eastern seaboard, the northern plains, and the upper Midwest, we'll see dry weather through the Ohio Valley and the Mississippi Valley and the Appalachians here, as well as through the Ozarks, the northern central plains, down through the southern plains into Texas, the high plateaus of Colorado and Utah, Nevada, California, Arizona, New Mexico, Texas. That triple-digit heat, maybe some high elevation thunderstorms through parts of New Mexico and Arizona. Maybe that fire danger might persist again for you folks, as we can see some dry lightning and some of this activity, as well as that heat is very high and those relative humidities and dew points are very low. Dew points will be below 10%, or the humidity will be below 10% down there in the desert Southwest, as those temperatures exceed 115 degrees for many locations like Phoenix and Las Vegas and Palm Springs, California. So very hot weather is going to be in store for you folks down there across the desert Southwest. So that is a look at the weather forecast for the next 3 days, for your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, or your Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That'll be it for today. A short video for you guys, because I have a lot to do and I'm going to be kind of indisposed for the next couple of days. We will be back on Sunday with your weather forecast to get you ready for the week ahead coming up. My name is Julie Godot. Thanks for watching. As always, leave your likes, your comments down in the spaces below, and you can follow me at the channel, and you can subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys all in the next video. And with that, have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on Sunday.